Good morning, students. Today we are going to cover a new topic, GCD, Greatest Common Divisor. GCD is also known as Highest Common Factor. What is GCD? GCD or HCF of the given number is the greatest common divisor or factor. It is the greatest number which can divide two or more numbers without a remainder. Let's look at some examples. For example, 24 and 32. We can write 24 as 4 into 6. Both 4 and 6 are composite number. Therefore, they can be further divided. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 6 is written as 2 into 3. So, 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 32 can be written as 8 into 4. Since 8 and 4 are composite numbers, they can be further divided. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and 4 as 2 into 2. 32 can also be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now comparing both the numbers 24 and 32, what's common in both the number? It's 2. 3 times 2 is common in both the numbers. So 2 is the common factor and 8 is the HCF. The second example, find the HCF of 10, 15 and 12. 10 can be split into 2 into 5. Both 2 and 5 are prime numbers, so there is no further division. 15 can be split into 3 into 5. 3 and 5 are also prime numbers. The next one, 12, is split into 2 into 2 into 3. Now comparing the given numbers, that is 10, 15 and 12, there is no common factor between these numbers. So we consider 1 as the common divisor. Therefore HCF is 1. The division method. The division method for finding the HCF. For example, find the HCF of 144 and 252. Step 1. Divide the bigger number by smaller one. 252 is bigger, so it will be divided by 144. Step 2. Divide the previous divisor by the remainder in this division. 144 was the divisor in the first step, so it will get divided with the remainder 108. Step 3. Repeat the same process done in the step 2. So it will be 108 divided by 36. Now the divisor in the division in which the remainder is 0 is the HCF of the given number. Therefore, the HCF of 144 and 252 is 36. Let's solve practice set 12. First one, 56 and 32. 56 can be factorized into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and 32 is factorized into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. What is the common number in 56 and 32? It's 2. And how many times? It's 3 times. So the common factor is 2 and the HCF is 2 into 2 into 2. That's 8. The next sum, 57, 75, 102. 57 is factorized as 3 into 19. 75 is factorized as 3 into 5 into 5. 102 is factorized as 2 into 3 into 17. What's common number in 57, 75 and 102? It's 3. So the common factor is 3 and the HCF is also 3. Find the HCF by division method and reduce to the simplest form. The first one, 275 upon 525. 525 is the greater, so it is divided by 275. We get the remainder as 250. In second step, 275 gets divided by 250 and the remainder is 25. Again 250 gets divided by 25, the remainder is 0. Hence the HCF is 25. The simplest form of fraction, 275 upon 525. 275 is written as 25 into 11. 525 is written as 25 into 21. Since 25 is the common number, it gets cancelled and the simplest form of fraction is 11 upon 21. The second sum is also solved in the same manner. Try to solve it on your own. For homework, solve practice set 12 two times in your classwork. Thank you.